Hey everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is doing super fantabulous. Happy New Year. Um, Today is the day. It is January's subscription box. So if you don't want to see the colorway, look away. I will tell you when it's safe to look back. So look away now. All right. This is January's subscription box colorway. This was actually originally going to be December's, but I went with a traditional Christmas theme and saved this one for January. It is being blown out by the natural light. This darker area right here is more true to color for this zone of the colorway. I am going to attempt to make this even darker. This is just my prototype. This was what I dyed up, and I'm going to attempt to make this area darker, but this is what it is. Okay, you can look back. So, this is a, actually, I apologize. Look away. I forgot something. I've actually done this video 3 times, so I forgot that I hadn't showed it. This is the fiber, and I'm showing it to you for a reason that I will explain in a moment. Okay, now you can look back. I apologize. Okay, so, this is a, like, winter theme, if you will. Hi, sweetheart. I tried to get my kitty to come and say hi to you guys, but she's laying on the stair above me, snoring loudly. Looking like she's about to fall off on me, which is making me a little nervous because she has claws and knows how to use them. Okay, so this base is 100% Peruvian Highland wool, and it is chain spun. Now stay with me. I know sometimes people hear Highland wool and think rough, and I get, but this is not rough. I do have a rough base, a rougher Highland wool. It's one of the zebras. I have 2 superwash merino, and I have a Highland wool one, and it is what you would consider a typical Highland wool. It's not unpleasant by any means, but it is what you think of when you think of Highland wool. This is not. This is absolutely not. I have sensitive fingers because I'm blind, and I also have sensory issues. So there's a lot of textures and stuff I don't like touching, and I can't have running between my fingers. This one I have dyed many times. I have sold many times. I have caked it. I have worked it up, and it is pleasant. This is absolutely the softest Highland wool I have ever felt. There's a lot of fibers that you would think of, like anti-pilling cotton anti-pilling acrylic and like other things that are much softer than standard Highland wool, and this is softer than those. This is right below my superwash merino. I charge the same of this for my superwash merino because it is so nice, and it is chain spun, and it is worth it. So I want you to trust me. I am asking you to step out on a limb and trust me that this is a soft base. Okay, that being said, it is a heavy sport weight, lightweight DK. It's 325 yards. And I'm trying to remember. So it's $45 for 2 hanks, the notion, and shipping is included in that to all 50 states. And then 1 hank is $25 with the notion and shipping included to all 50 states. If you want international shipping, we can do that. You are responsible for the shipping and any duties or fees that come with that. I think the notion is really cool. I think it's very beautiful. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be the first one I actually make for myself and use, because I'm terrible about that. I make it for y'all, but I never end up making them for myself. So it is open today, January 1st. It closes. Payments are due by January 8th. If you have some extenuating circumstances, I know, pay schedules being what they are and everything, just let me know in the email, and we can work that out. But having that cutoff does help me be able to ensure that I can get everything going out between the 15th and the 20th. So I think that's it. Did I say all the things? I said the price, I said the fiber, I said the weight, the yardage, the price, the due dates. I think that's it. Yeah. I really do like this one, and I hope you guys will give it a chance. I know that you'll love it too. And anybody who has received this base in the past, either as a giveaway or has purchased it, please write in the comments below and, let people know. It really is it is a good one. So, okay. I love you guys. Toodles. Okay. If there's an awkward silence, by the way, at the beginning of my videos, I apologize. My camera does a really weird, thing where I'm not really sure if it's recording or not. So, anyway, I forgot to tell you guys how to order. Silly me. It's in the description box below, but you just email me at thriss314@gmail.com. And that is also the email you'll use for PayPal and Zelle. And the Cash App is in the description box. Also, if you are visually impaired or blind and would like a description of what it looks like, email me and let me know. I don't put it in the video of this one because people do want to be surprised, but typically I do explain all the yarn I'm holding up and stuff. So, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, now toodles, love you, bye.